Okay, the negative exponent. The negative exponent does not make the number negative. What does the negative exponent end up doing? Moving it to the bottom. So how do I rewrite that? Good. Shh, guys. Okay, 1 over 6 to a positive 3. Okay, so how would you explain it? Maybe this. The student, yeah, right, thought the negative exponent made the number negative. Okay? Now, I saw someone else had a different answer, which was actually just as correct. This is a perfectly sufficient, good answer. What is 6 to the third? 6 times 6 times 6. 216. Okay? No, you do not have, LJ, I prefer to let you guys sit beside someone so that you can work together, but if you can't not talk, then we've got plenty of spots where I can split you up. Good morning, Riley. Look, neither one of these is any more right than the other. The thing is, we have to be able to see any and all correct answers as possible solutions. That was one thing that I did not stress last year, and I realized after the fact that what they're interested in is the phrase equivalent expressions. This one is equivalent to that.
I got it right.
This one is equivalent to this one, which is equivalent to this one. We have to be able to see it in all different ways. Okay? Look at number 6. Now, this is a power raised to another power. So when you have a power raised to a power, you remember what you do with those numbers? Multiply. Power to a power, you multiply the powers. Okay? What did this student do? Okay? He added, I use the word powers and exponents kind of interchangeably. It's the same thing. He added the powers rather than multiplying. And that is one of those errors that I do see you guys make. I see you take the negative 2, huh?
I said multiply.
Yeah, he should have multiplied. Look, you don't have to say the exact words that I just said right here. You just need to be able to look at it and go, what should have been done? So 3 to the negative 2 to the 6 should be equal to what?
3 to the negative 4.
3 to the negative what?
12.
12. Multiply. Okay. So this is a perfectly good, sufficient answer. What else could be written? Good. Good. Now, you could go 3 to the 12th, and it's going to be a gigantic number. I doubt they would make that as one of the possible solutions. Okay? All right, let's go ahead. Well, no, I've got them all on day 4. So day 4 will be Thursday. That's good because I would like to possibly put a scientific notation problem on your test. So let's talk about the test. Test is going to be Friday. The main piece of the test is solving equations and some inequalities. Inequalities is not a huge piece because it's basically equations just with a different sign. But that's the main piece of your test. And I know we've been learning slopes. So I want to throw some rates of change and slope on there, but it will not be the main piece of your test. And then, of course, I'd like to throw some exponents on there. I'd like to throw some scientific notation on there. We got to make sure we keep that old stuff going. Okay? So test is going to be Friday, which leads me to, let me put in your hands right now the review.